All right, on the Flat Rate Master, well, let's talk about doing an oil change via an extractor instead of a drain plug. Now, this comes from a Facebook post, one of the many groups I'm in. But anyway, it got asked, why would you not do a drain and fill? You know, why would you use an extractor to do an oil change? So the post in question was about a guy who bought a new extractor, yada, yada, yada. Got posted in the comments, why would you ever use an extractor instead of pulling a drain plug and looking for debris or something like that? Anyway, my response to that is you must not work on many European cars, because that's the main reason you use an extractor. Is the underbody panels on a lot of Europeans are just ridiculous. Volkswagen is a great example. 3 different tools to pull the bottom panel. BMW, 4 million screws to pull the underbody panel, though they do have a trap door to get the drain plug, but that's one of the reasons. The biggest reason is so you don't have to take off that underbody panel, because it can be a pain. It, especially around here, it's probably damaged. You're probably going to have to do some jury rigging to put it back. It's just a lot easier not to mess with it. That's why you use an extractor, so you don't have to take that off. Do you still let the car up, do an inspection? Yes. You know, 9 times out of 10, you can look around the panel and see if there's oil leaks. You can look at the drive belts. You can look at almost everything except, well, here and there. But, you know, if you're concerned, take it off and do a drain and fill. The other reason is the plastic drain plugs, especially on Volkswagens. If you don't know what this is, you probably don't work on Volkswagens. This is a special tool for doing Volkswagen drain plugs that are plastic. We stock them, by the way. We stock the BMWs too, just in case they don't come in the filter, because somebody ordered the wrong filter, because man come with them for the most part, as long as you get the right filter. Same filter, just one comes with a drain plug, one doesn't, by the way. But that's the biggest reason you don't, is simply for, well, the fact is a pain in the butt to take some of those panels off. I mean, they're ridiculous. You know, when you're, 20 minutes in and then you got to put it all back together with 15 million screws, multiple tools, it just sucks. Humble Mechanic did a video where he, extracted and then did a drain and almost nothing came out. If you do it right, almost nothing will be in the pan. Depending on the design, you actually may get more oil. Maybe. Not guaranteeing that, but anyway, that's why you use a oil extractor. On that note, let's talk about the John Doe extractor we use here. I've got one. The lower shop bought one. We use them all the time, especially on Volkswagen 2.0s where the filter's on the top, because those underbody panels are a pain. You just stick it in the dipstick tube, move it around every now and then to make sure you're getting oil. You let it sit there. You can go do something else while it's sucking. Not a big deal. Put it up in the air, rotate the tires, do an inspection. While it's sucking, you can look over the engine, because that engine, you can pretty much see everything. Look for oil leaks, look for water pump leaks. That's why. So as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.